planning a beach camping adventure or day trip? Then you need the genuine ground grabber Lite sand pegs from Full Drive Supacentre. The absolute best way to secure your swag, your awning, your tarp, your gazebo, anything when you're camping on the beach.
These cracking sand pegs are made from glass reinforced nylon and feature a clever spiral design that spreads out wide into the sand as they enter. Unlike normal sand pegs that struggle in soft sand, ground grabber Lites bite into the sand for serious securing power. They measure 400 millimeters in length, so you can really drive them down deep for extra strength. There's a hook on the end that you can slip a guy rope over, and this right here is my favorite bit, a 19mm hex head that means you can use a cordless drill and a 19mm bit to drive the ground grabber Lite down into the ground. You can of course use them by hand as well, no drill required.
Don't let your awning get caught by the wind and get destroyed, and don't struggle to set up your swag or your tent when you're on the beach. Get a set of the legendary ground grabber Lite sand pegs from Full Drive Supacentre and make your next beach camping adventure the best one ever.